What if I told you boring ground chicken could turn into something exciting and delicious in just 12 minutes in the air fryer? Today, I'm showing you how to make 3 easy chicken pockets: pepperoni pizza, jalapeno popper, and we're going classy for the third one, caprese. Start with 1 pound of ground chicken, mix it with some seasoning, and separate it into 3 balls. Now take one and press it into a circle on greased wax paper. Now the fun part, let's fill them. Pocket 1, pepperoni and mozzarella, just like a little pizza. Pocket 2, jalapeno poppers, cream cheese, chopped jalapeno, and bacon. Pocket 3, caprese, tomato, mozzarella, and fresh basil. Fold them over, seal the edges, and we're ready to fry. Into the air fryer they go, 400 degrees for 12 minutes, flipping halfway. And remember, this is just ground chicken and a few fillings. Look at that. Crispy outside, cheesy, gooey inside, 3 flavors, 0 boredom. Which one would you grab first? Let me know in the comments and hit that subscribe button because I've got even more easy air fryer recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.